How to turn on color correction, how to use it, how to also add a shortcut, and this is for Samsung phones with Android 16. To find and use color correction, go ahead and use the quick access on your Samsung phone. Then you'll tap on where it says settings right here. And from this area here, go ahead and use the search option as the fastest way to find this feature. So type in the words color and then correction. And as you start typing it, you're going to see the suggestion. And as you tap on it, it'll flash where to go next. From here now, you will see the option to turn it on. Once you turn it on, you'll notice that the colors of your phone has changed. And you have a intensity option here, which will adjust the colors. And you won't notice it unless you're viewing different colors. You have the different color layout, which is this one here, giving you that. You also have this one here giving you this, and this one here, which is basically the most difference you'll probably find on your phone for color correction. You also have the option to go black and white, which is the grayscale option. Notice everything now is your grayscale, which also means if ever your phone gets into the black and white colors and you have no idea what to do, this might be the reason why. Now, other all than these here, you have the shortcut option, which as you go here, you can turn it on and have that little icon down there, or use the floating option here if you so decide to do that by selecting this option right here, the setting right here. Go to here, and then you can have the floating option, which will give you this little floating bar right here. And with that there, you can tap on it and turn on and off the colors at any given time if you choose to do that. Now, if you want to disable the shortcut, you'll also come back here and disable the shortcut. You can also use the volume up keys for those of us who are using the swipe gestures. You can just have them all on, totally up to you, okay? Now, with all that said and done, once you're done with these here and you don't want them anymore, just turn off the shortcut and make sure the color correction is disabled and you're good to go, like and said.